It's great to strive for your best, but there's a deeper challenge: becoming distinctive. What sets you apart isn't just being good, but adding that extra effort to make a lasting impact. The world is saturated with the best. It craves individuals who bring innovation and uniqueness. The real difference between ordinary and extraordinary is the extra. Being distinctive means going beyond competition and redefining success in your terms. In academics or any field, distinction means focusing on excellence, creativity, and contribution, rather than just grades or accolades. Academic competition often misguides us to chase grades over growth. A quote says, "Follow excellence and success will chase you." Shift your mindset. Prioritize learning, improving, and making meaningful contributions over outperforming others. True distinction arises when you create value that resonates with others. How to be distinctive: add the extra, go above the expected, be detailed in your work or field, offering solutions no one else sees. Virtues emerge naturally. As you strive to be your best, qualities like diligence, integrity, and leadership come naturally. Focus on the core value. Don't let external metrics like grades or titles blind you from the essence of what you're pursuing. Make a difference daily. Small actions done with care can have a big impact. Others will notice your value through their feedback, even in your absence. Distinction is reflected in the positive ripple effects of your actions, how you inspire, lead, or innovate. Being your very best means striving for impact and uniqueness, not just accolades. Believe in yourself and take the steps to live above limitations and leave your mark. Remember, I believe in you. Be distinctive, make a difference, and outlive your dreams.